Hello everyone, today, in this video, I am going to show you how to turn off YouTube video history. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Open YouTube and tap on top right setting icon. Now here you have to click on Manage All History. Here you can also clear these histories one by one. Now here you have to click on Delete. To turn off YouTube history, click on the top control. After that, you have to untick this first icon. Now here you have to click on Pause. In this way, you can turn off your YouTube video history. Thanks for watching this video.